What is she doing, Princess?
You get a good one? Yeah, Lucy! Let's go. Oh my goodness! Time to find out what you are. Here.
We're gonna find out what you are.
Lucy.
Good girl.
Good girl. One more. You're gonna do one more.
Look it, you're helping
Good
Mom
girl.
at nursing school.
Good girl. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Life with Labrador Lucy. Today is the episode you've all been waiting for.
We got the DNA results.
Guys, it's finally time to know what you are. You ready to find out?
I got her from a Labrador rescue here in Arizona, and she was 8 weeks old. I was looking for a lab at the time, and they said that she was a lab. So I adopted her. And at the time, her name was Haley, but we decided to change it to Princess, because we started calling her our little princess, and soon that's all she ever answered to. So Haley was out the window.
Aww, little Haley.
Little princess, aw. We called her Princess too many times. So when she was a puppy, which you might have seen from her pictures, she semi-looked like a lab. And I had never owned a lab before, so to me I was like, oh, I have a lab, she's so cute. And then at about 14 weeks, she started sprouting these little hairs from her nose. And I thought, that's weird. And then at about 20 weeks, she didn't really grow much. And she had sprouted hairs from her nose, her eyebrows, and her ears. And I was like, I don't think she's a lab. And we moved to Colorado, we moved to Virginia, and so she traveled all over with me. So her car rides are
Road
her
dog.
favorite. Huh, she got used to driving in the car. It became her favorite place. So then at 1 year old, she grew this gnarly underbite. She was not born with it. I did not adopt her with this underbite. But now it's what she's known for. And you can see it, especially when she bakes. Good girl.
There, you guys both get Cheetos.
Okay.
So, it made us really question what her DNA was because she is 100% not a traditional looking lab. And even Lucy looks different because she's so small. But, what are you?
People have asked me what she is when she was like 2, and her underbite was dominant, and her hair started growing like this. That's the most frequently asked question we get about Princess. So, we have a surprise for you. You want to find out what you are?
It is time for those results. There's nothing to be scared about, Princess. The test's already done.
You want to find out what's it?
You want to find out, Lucy?
Lucy.
Oh, don't be upset because this isn't your episode.
Maybe she's not in the lab, you know?
What if she is? Let's find out.
Princess, your DNA results came in. Do you want to find out what you are?
Come on, princess, come on. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think, Lucy? What do you think?
All right. They're in.
What does this say?
All right, princess, are you ready? You are 60% pug.
What? What? You're 60% pug? Oh, that's what this curly tail is. I knew it. I always thought Princess had some pug in her. All right. Keep going, keep going. What's next? What's next?
20%, I don't know if I'm gonna say this right, BICHON FRISE.
A BICHON FRISE. Look at that. She's got some class to her. Woo-hoo-hoo.
And the last one, drum roll please.
Drum roll.
You are 20% Labrador Retriever.
Get out. Get out. You're a Labrador. A real life lab.
Yes.
What do you think of all that?
Alright, so here's some qualities that match Princess perfectly. From a pug. Pugs tend to be overeaters. They can quickly become overweight. This girl will do anything for food, won't you? Is food your favorite? Yeah. You love food. Part of the Labrador. Gentle, smart, easy to train. That's so true. Princess loves kids. She's always gentle with kids. She was so easy to train. She knew multiple tricks. She learned them really fast. She helped us train Lucy.
Yeah, she was a really good teacher.
Mm-hmm. And then the last category, her BICHON. BICHONs, they will let you know when anyone is at the door. And don't you do that, Princess, huh? You bark anytime someone's walking up at the door. She's a good guard dog.
Also, I think that her fur, the way her fur is kind of BICHON-y.
Mm-hmm. So, Princess, we're gonna Google pug BICHON lap mix and see what comes up.
Let's do it! Let's see what comes up! Do you have a lookalike or are you a one and only?
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is a Pouchon. A pug and BICHON mix. I don't think this one has the Labrador. Pouchon. So if you guys have ever wondered what Princess is, you can get your very own at Pouchon. Princess, but you're a little different because you've got your yellow ears. You can really tell that she does have little Labrador in her, just with like the coloring and this yellowing kind of stripe on her back.
Yeah, she looks a little different from this guy. You think you look cuter, huh?
Well, we finally found out what Princess's, our rescue dog's DNA is, and we can't be
answered.
more excited and more shocked, honestly.
I can't believe she's kind of lab. I can't believe it, Princess.
Life with Labrador Lucy and Somewhat Princess.
Say thanks for watching.
Alright everyone, well this just about wraps up today's video. Thanks so much for watching. It was a ton of fun. We finally discovered what Princess's DNA is, what breed she is. We finally shared it with you guys. It's been so long. I'm really sorry about the wait. This time has been absolutely crazy with the quarantine. Hey, Snugglebug. Mama kisses. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. We are recently about to move, so we'll have some more episodes on that of Lucy and Princess moving to their new temporary house. But till then, we're going to be saying pause out. Thanks so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. What is it? What is it, Princess? Uh-oh. It's the bug zapper. What is it, Lucy? What, Princess? So Princess can absolutely not stand, or well, she loves bug zappers. For as long as we've had Princess, she has always just like been intrigued, absolutely intrigued. What? What is it? What is it? Princess, do you like the bug zapper? Or do you hate it?